If you make AI art, this is your moment. NightCafe Select is live, our first ever editorially judged competition, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to enter, what you can win, and how to give yourself the best shot at the panel. So let's go. NightCafe Select is a global competition celebrating the best AI artists in the world. So this is free to enter. Absolutely anyone can enter as long as you're over the age of 18. And it all lives right here on creator.nightcafe.studio/select. So edition 1 has a theme and it's a beautiful one. The theme is architecture of feeling. So you pick a feeling, you can go with wonder, longing, awe, the kind of quiet joy that we all experience. It's really up to you. And you build a body of work that tells a story about it. So think a short film or a mini exhibition, not just like a single image, which we really want to make sure that the judges are able to feel this piece of work, not just see it. So relate to it, maybe look at this and think, oh, that's totally me, or oh, I've been there. So here's how it works. It's gonna work in 3 steps. 1, you create and submit your body of work. And then after that, you add an artist statement, which is required for entry. It should be 30 words or longer, explaining the why behind your entry. You could also explain the story that it tells. Step number 2 is you sharing that post. So you can post it to your socials and send people your entry to then do step 3, which is rally your votes. Every entry that reaches 20 likes or more on the NightCafe Select feed moves through to our expert judging panel. So your community genuinely helps you advance. So make sure you send it to your friends and all your diehards because you're gonna want those votes. Once you're through, the panel scores everything on 4 things. So concept, craft, cohesion, and intent. Your judges include Sarah Impey from Runware, Marco Pittarello, founder of Prompt Magazine and community artist, and NightCafe champion Gully, with a special guest judge being announced very soon. So on the NightCafe Select page, you're going to find a lot of information, and at first it might seem overwhelming, but really it's just to make sure everything you need is in one place. So if we scroll down a little bit below the theme, we're going to see key dates when entries open. They opened June 14th, entries close July 12th, and winners are announced a week later on July 19th. So keep those dates in mind. And then you're gonna see here awards and prizes. Best overall is going to get 1,000 USD and a feature in Prompt Magazine. And there's a whole bunch of other prizes. There's also going to be best storytelling, most creative, a community favorite, and highly commended. And everybody's going to get a prize. But with all of that information, I just wanted to show you, you can click full prize list, and there's the full list of prizes for you to go through, but also this full details page. I think if you're having questions or you are just unsure about something, make sure to check this because it is all here. It gives you the path to selection. So there are some tips for your submission. So submission standards, things that our judges are going to be looking for, the actual judging panel, and how things are judged. So there are going to be 5 ways to win. There's going to be best overall, best storytelling, most creative, community favorite, and then 10 highly commended spots like I had mentioned before. Best overall takes home that $1,000 grant sponsored by Runware. And every winner gets a print feature in Prompt Magazine and a verified Select portfolio and partner credits. Entries are open now and close on the 12th of July, and winners are announced on July 19th. So pick your feeling, build your story, and show the world what you can do. Head to creator.nightcafe.studio/select, link down in the description, and tag your post with the hashtag NightCafe Select so that we can see and share everything that you guys are making. Well, we can't wait to see what you make. So good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I am going to be around to make sure I can answer those for you. But other than that, good luck, guys. We'll see you there.